y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you, girl, for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, a smoky brown eye and lip. It is just giving so such a good sultry vibe. I'm feeling it. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And let's get into this video. We are going to moisturize our lips, and this is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oil. Make sure you check that video out. I give my full review and opinion and swatched it and tried them on for you guys in my last video. So thank you for those of you who watched it. If you haven't watched it, girl, go watch that video after you finish watching this video, because that's all I'm saying about that. I already done my brows. Just to save a little bit of time, I went in with my Benefit brow pencil in the shade 3.75, and I cleaned them up with my Rare Beauty concealer. So we are going to be doing something a little bit different today, but it's not really too different. It's just something that I don't really gravitate towards the most, and that is a full-on matte eyelid. I always love some type of shimmer, some type of glitter, or just maybe more so shimmer and satin eyeshadows, more so than just a matte look. So we're gonna do a smoky brown look, and in order to do that, I think you should do all matte. So and I wanted to go into some of my old palettes that I have not used in a while. So this is the Natasha Denona Safari palette, and it looks like this. Beautiful colors. So first I'm gonna prime my lids using the Rare Beauty concealer. All right, so for the first shade to set that concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tamarind, which is this shade here at the bottom. And it's like a light, it looks like a concealer shade anyway. But I'm gonna go ahead and dust that all over the lid just to set that concealer in place. And if you hear watering and stuff, girl, it is pouring outside right now. Pouring. So the next shade, I'm gonna go into the two browns. The two browns in this palette, it's only these two, so I'm just gonna build on those two all over the lid. But I'm gonna take a more dense brush so that we can really pack on the color. More of a flat brush like this, so we can pack on the color, and then I'll use my fluffy brush to blend out the top towards the eyebrow bone. So I'm just gonna go ahead in the deeper shade, which is called Shea, and just put that all over my lid. Literally one color, it's gonna come out. Trust the process. So now we're gonna do the other side, and let me do the other side and see how I like it, and then I'll be back.
From this moment, just listen to the music and watch me get ready, get your makeup, get your snacks, get your drinks. If you have a baby, then girl, you know. So please keep watching.
20 brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby.